सब्सक्राइब कीजिए टेक्निकल प्रकाश चैनल को एंड प्रेस द बेल आइकन for the latest updates. Hello, hi guys. Today I'm gonna show you the interesting features about the Redmi phones, and I also watch my video till end. Myself Prakash Jangid and you watching Technical Prakash. So let's get started.
Vai com o bumbum tam tam, vem com o bumbum tam tam tam, vai mexe o bumbum tam tam.
So hello guys, the trick is very easy for Redmi phones. So there are 5 to 4 steps are there. Follow me and follow my instruction. So first go to the settings and select second space. So I'm already created second space and delete it, and I'm create another second space. So guys, I'm creating one more second space. So creating second space, so it takes 1 2 minutes. So I'm waiting. So it's and create passwords, one device, and create password, set now. So I'm create. So it's my old password, first space password, and create second space password, and I'm draw it again. So confirm, and notification you have to choose there, but I'm not choosing. So my second space is created. So I'm showing you the trick. So tap on power button, and first I am drawing the first space pattern. So see that it is my first space. So my first space is open. So I am drawing the second. You see that it is my second space. So it is a doubling. So thanks for watching guys. I hope you like my video. If you like my video, subscribe to my channel and share my video.